Here we have a 2016 Ford Transit 150 with medium roof and sliding passenger door in white with a gray interior. This Transit is a one-owner vehicle and is in excellent condition with only 23,278 original miles. Here at Ride Smart Auto, we provide easy, competitive, instant auto financing with such recognized lenders as Ally Bank, Members First FCU, and Santander Consumer USA. We also welcome trades. Options for this vehicle include, but are not limited to, keyless entry, power windows and locks, sliding passenger door, seating for 8, backup camera, and vehicle stability control. Here's a look at the very spacious rear seating. Room for 6 passengers in the rear. Moving to the back, you have ample space for cargo storage. The Transit's 3.7-liter V6 engine produces 275 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque, offering towing capacity between 4,700 and 5,400 pounds. If you are interested in this vehicle and would like to schedule an appointment to come take a look, please give us a call at 610-942-7000. Again, that's 610-942-7000. Or visit us at our website at www.ridesmartauto.com and shop the dealer with over 1,000 positive customer reviews at Ride Smart Auto.